Hello. In this video, we will show you the metrics for test time estimation, how to use them to track actual testing efforts, and where to find them in the reports. Within our project, we have a module with some test objects to be tested. Each of them has a different complexity and will most probably require different testing efforts. First, we open the preferences and enable estimated time and actual time under metrics. There are more options to adjust the metrics to fit our needs. For example, we can edit the formula that TESSY uses to calculate the estimated test time for a test object. By default, TESSY takes into account the number of function calls, the calculated cyclomatic complexity, and the number of statements of a test object, plus some fixed time. Back in the test project view, the metrics are now shown in new columns right from the coverage displays. ET is the estimated time calculated by TESSY, and AT is the actual time we can fill in individually. After implementing the tests, we can enter the actual working time for each test object. The time we spent for testing will be highlighted in green, yellow, or red, depending on whether the efforts were as estimated or above. To review the error and warning thresholds, we open the preferences again. The warning threshold will be triggered if the actual time exceeds the estimated time. The error threshold will be applied if the actual efforts were double of the estimated time. Let's adapt the formula to reflect some extra work. We assume that reviewing the requirements for every test object before starting the test implementation will also take some time. This would result in higher planning efforts for each test object. For our example, we add 15 extra minutes per test object within the formula. After applying the changes, TESSY recalculates the estimated times, and we can see that our error and warning highlighting of the actual times have been updated as well, reflecting the higher efforts being planned for each test object. We are now ready to generate the test overview report to see the time tracking results. There is a separate metrics table at the end of the report containing the respective data.